There's still a few hours left, you guys. Amazon Prime Day lasts through 11:59 tonight, July 13th. And I just stumbled across one of my all-time favorite Amazon purchases. It's this stackable shoe organizer. This was a total game changer for me when I was organizing my closet. I've got about 3 packs of them. You can stack them up as high as your ceiling goes. They're 20% off, and they were already really affordable to begin with, so great deal. One of the other things I really love about this is that it's plastic, it's clear. So you can see which shoes they are through the boxes, and they also have a front door. So really easy to get out. You don't have to mess with taking a picture of it and writing what the shoe is. You can see right through it. And it just so happens that I taped myself putting them together when I first got them a few months ago. So here's a look back at that. Don't laugh, it was a little bit challenging for me in the beginning, but it's really, really easy once you get the hang of it. You can find this shoe organizer along with all of the other deals that I found over the last 2 days on my Amazon page, Power and Pixie Dust, in my idea list, Prime Day deals.